Here's how to make Minecraft use your dedicated GPU. So first, open the Task Manager. Go to the search bar and search for Task Manager, or you can directly right-click on the Windows icon, then select Task Manager. Now on the Task Manager, find Minecraft processes. Locate the Minecraft process, likely named as OpenJDK. Then right-click on it and select Open File Location. Copy the file path. In the File Explorer window that opens, click on the file path at the top and right-click on it and select Copy. Then after, open the Graphics Settings. Search for Graphics Settings in the search bar and open it and add Minecraft. In Graphics Settings, select Desktop app and click on Browse. Paste the file path that you just copied earlier into the file path bar and press Enter. Then find java.exe and select it and then click on Add. Set it to high performance. Click on the Minecraft app you just added. Click on Options and select High Performance. For Bedrock Edition, if you're using Minecraft Bedrock, repeat the step 6 for the Minecraft Bedrock app. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.